The KVA from Kinitics Automation is a general-purpose valve actuator that uses bundled wire technology to deliver high force and precise positioning. Let's take a look inside to see how the technology works. The KVA controls the valve by setting the position of the valve plug and stem. The KVA couples to the valve stem, which connects it to a bundled wire assembly inside the KVA. A bundled wire assembly is made up of a biasing spring and several strands of shape memory alloy wire. Shape memory alloy, or SMA for short, is a material that changes its shape when it undergoes a temperature change. In this application, temperature change is done by flowing electric current through the material. At the microscopic level, the material transitions between two solid-state phases. At the macroscopic level, the strands of SMA wire change their length. By controlling the length of the wires, the connected valve can be opened and closed. Force and motion are developed in line with the valve stem, eliminating wear surfaces and side loads. The length of the SMA wires can be precisely controlled, allowing for fine control of the valve's position across its operating range, making it suitable for use as a control valve in a wide variety of applications, including pressure, flow, and temperature control. When power or signal is removed, the SMA wires relax and the internal spring brings the valve to a fixed open or closed position. Contact Kinetics Automation to learn more.